that out.
Hey guys, so we're gonna be doing a project with the boys. Another one. And here's link 2. We're gonna be doing hats and whatever projects for Valentine's Day. G has a day off and he wanted to do a project. So I have these supplies already, might as well use them. We're gonna be using the pipe cleaners.
And you saw in this video, we made these hot summons.
Yes, we did. And they're pretty cool. They look nice in there. Very festive. It is. And we're gonna be using pom-poms, also hearts, glittery hearts, googly eyes, glue, scissors, just paint to put our names in there, and stapler. So let's go ahead and start.
Yep.
We're going to start by folding our paper in half. This way we will have all the walls of the hat the same size, and then I'm gonna cut them and just join them together.
Of course, paper. Well, these are the doors. Can you open this? Oh, now we can.
Yeah, now cut it.
Wait, how short is yours?
Half. Once you have your pieces, make sure to measure your child's head. I'm using it this way. I'm gonna join it with the other piece. Just staple it or tape it, whatever is easier for you. And then I'm gonna measure again so I'm able to close this.
And what time is hubby?
All right.
Staple it one more time and that's it.
Yeah, I do.
But you don't have 2 boys' hats. You don't also have each and I don't have combined. But this will be fun.
Okay, now let's measure yours. Okay, I'm gonna join them. Here, I'll put it in there and you put the staple. Ready?
Okay.
Put the staple in there. Just careful with my fingers. Ah! I'm just playing. Go ahead. You need help with that?
Yeah.
Okay.
I got scared.
I'm sorry.
Mama, if it happens for you, your hand will be covered by the hat.
Okay, now let's measure your head. You need another piece. Fold another piece and cut it.
I don't staple my fingers. No, I'm scared. Yep.
Okay, next one. And next, just one.
Okay. And then you can cut it.
Okay.
But now you do it. I'm just dead now.
So now I'm gonna staple this part. My tripod died, so I gotta do everything like this. You can glue it, but we found that gluing these takes forever to dry and they want to use it right now. So I'm gonna staple this in each side. The face of Link. What's going on, brother? ¿Qué está pasando? Now it's time to decorate them and put whatever we want on top of them. I'll give you yours in a bit. Hold on. Here, let me give them this. Toma. Use the paper. You want to paint?
Yeah. Are you still up there? No. Still up there. It's falling.
It is so easy to make this spiral twisties on the pipe cleaners. You just use your finger and twist the pipe cleaner around it. You don't even have to use your finger. You can use a pen, a pencil, whatever you have in hand, and it will turn out really cute, and it just gives it a funky look. You gotta pull it out and then do the top. Sácalo, ya es la parte de arriba. See, it works. Sí, funciona. Woohoo! Okay, now put it on the side. Yes, el otro. Do the other one.
Boing.
Boing, 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 boing. And this is what it looks like. Actually, I think it turned out pretty cute. G will show you his hat in a little bit. Look at that. And I was just trying to keep him entertaining this one because I wanted to take a picture of both of them with the hat, so I had to figure it a way. But I hope you enjoyed this craft. If you do this with your kids, please share a picture with me so I can see it. I love watching those pictures. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.